to this video from Dr. Lock. Today we have a very exciting video to announce. We have contacted a manufacturer in China and we have sent over a remote for the 2020 Hilux on. So any Hilux between 2020 and 2026, we now have a aftermarket remote where we now don't have to buy the original remote from Toyota, which is about $500 just for the remote without cutting and supplying. So if you've got a Hilux, and the way you can tell this is the new system that they're using is that if you have a shark antenna, this is now the correct remote for these new Hiluxes. So we can supply, program a new remote for your Hilux. So if you've lost one, we can now do that for you. So if you're in Brisbane or the Gold Coast and you need a spare key, 0413 120 444, and we can give you another remote, just exactly the same as an OEM one. In fact, I think these are a bit better. Thanks for watching.